2023 Mercedes-Benz EQB. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: side view mirrors with turn signals, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, electric motor, plug-in electric, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.